Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Aggregate production function questions get easy fast when you track what changes output along the rising section. So watch this and lock in the logic. Aggregate production function carefully, because that function links total output to inputs used in production, especially labor, not finance choices, marketing moves, or wage labels. Now focus on the increasing portion, which means as the input rises, output also rises. So moving along that section matches hiring more workers and producing more total output. That makes the key relationship simple. Output rises with labor on the upward part of the function, so the matching choice is increased workers hired. Well done! Option A, scan now. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given relationships and check steps because production functions connect output changes to inputs.